Good morning. It's still morning. It's still 11:42 a.m. So it's still morning, and I'm checking if the cat is under the recliner before I close it. So last night my husband is very tired, have a very bad headache, so he went to bed. What happened to my camera? Hold on, guys. Yeah, it's rust. Let me check. Okay, so he has a really bad headache, and so he went to bed early. So I went to bed early too, not just just spend time with him and massage his head, massage his foot, massage his body, and I went back downstairs and decided to make a tuna salad for him because he liked tuna salad, and he want to bring something to work, and I want to make him happy because he love it, that he have something to eat. And I get up early this morning and dropped my mother-in-law to dialysis and came home. See, my husband, I told my husband last night, before you go to bed, put a new gas in the grill because there's no more gas in the grill that I can fry my dried fish. So now I don't have a choice. I have to fry it inside the house, which is not good because the smell is all over the place. You can smell it from the tablecloth, you can smell it from everywhere. So now I don't have a choice. I feel like having dried fish, so I guess I'm gonna cook it inside the house. Just turn the vent very high. This house is 3 stories, but if every time I cook dried fish, it's went to the 3rd floor, to the attic, and to the ground, to the basement. Yeah, that's how bad it is. But I mean, we love it. Every time somebody, if you're in the Philippines and then some of your neighbor frying dried fish, you can smell it. It's like makes you hungry. You love the smell of it. But these people here doesn't wanna smell it. No, it's not good. And I don't understand. Maybe because just like my husband doesn't even want to try it because there's a lot of bones, and then it's very salty, which is every time he said he doesn't like salty, but every time I cook steak, he's still pouring salt in it. So what the heck? I don't know. I guess it's the same thing when I don't like lamb and they love lamb and I hate it. It's just the taste. There is, when you eat lamb. Yeah, lamb. If you eat lamb, there's aftertaste. But I guess one of my friends like lamb. Her name is Beth. Hi, Beth. Why you like lamb? You tell me. And these people doesn't like our dried fish. And why you like lamb? I'm just kidding, Beth. I decided to cook dried fish inside the house. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn the vent later when I put the fish into there. Yeah, dried fish, cooking dried fish. Vent later, vent. Yeah, I put the chicken. I put the dried fish already. And the dried fish is good with this. The suka pinakurat sa sawa ng bayan. Yeah. Yeah. Yummy. That's the only 3 I have left. This is a good dried fish. But we need to go to Asian store to get more. I think I'm gonna get more this time. Look, it smells yummier. It smells good, and I don't understand why people doesn't like it. It's. I saw somebody over there. After this, I eat. I'm debating if I'm going to walk to pick my mother-in-law, or I'm just gonna wait until she calls me. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, whew. Not good. Yeah, I just done having my lunch, and so right now I try to upload the video. Hey guys, we're home. I'm home. Anyway, I just want to it's hot. I walked to pick up my mother and get my phone. Okay. I charge my phone up here because it's low, but I don't know. This I have the Samsung S4. The battery is really bad. I'm not cooking dinner tonight because we have a lot of leftover from the other day and last night. And make sure that your coffee has its sugar and cream. Your eggs are over easy. You toss them lightly. All that's missing is Good morning. Good morning. Right now, I'm toasting my bread and having coffee. And I wake up my husband quick because there's some guy oil delivery, and I saw him shaking his head, so I think it's gonna be a problem in the tank outside. So good morning. That's our morning rushing. Good morning, guys. Yeah. My cat is so funny. Look at it. Look. And then he get the mouse and hide it in his belly. He don't want me to take it. He don't want me to take the mousey. He don't want me to take the mousey. Look. I'm gonna take it again. And he hides it. He looks very tired now. Look at him. Look at him. Look. He's so tired. He's so tired. You're so tired, but I'm gonna make you tired. Good exercise, baby. Good exercise. Good exercise, baby. Look at it. Are you doing good? Oh, he looks so tired. He looks so tired. You're tired? Are you tired? Are you tired, baby? Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. But he still want to play. Poor baby. You look so tired. Look. You look so tired. Look. You look so tired. It's a good exercise, Abs. Are you tired? Abs? Okay, enough now. But I'm not done yet. I'm not done. Look at him. Oh, poor baby. Okay, he hides it. He hides it. He don't want me to do it. Can I find it? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, you're tired? Okay, no. You're tired. Okay, I'm done. Look, he hides it. You don't want me to play with him because he can't control himself. He just wants to keep playing. Okay. Oh, what? I found it. I found it. You're tired, baby. Okay, now. Okay. Okay, baby. Okay. Okay, you ready to play? Are you ready to play? I found something here. Let me see. I found some dirt. Dirt. Oh, okay, it's dirty. Let me clean it, guys.